Once again, a very good evening and warm good evening. Slightly chilly Delhi welcomes you all. Slight chill. I know you must be enjoying your drinks and the eateries. INBA is proud, International Bar Association is proud, for the first time to institute and start the concept of awards to meritorious people from different sectors relating to law, social justice. We thought it would be a great platform as a voluntary association for us to recognize the contribution all these exceptional individuals have been making in their respective fields. I have the honor to introduce on dais Sri Ram Jethmalani ji, who needs no introduction. So we are thankful for your gracious presence and your blessings to us, sir. May we have a round of applause, please. On his right, we have the Member of Parliament from England, Mr. Stephen Pound. Welcome to India, sir. And I hope you enjoy a wonderful stay in our great country. To his right is Mr. Mukesh Tyagi, the ex-CEO of Enron, SR, Reliance, and right now he is with GE, right? World Bank. On the right-hand side of Sri Ram Jethmalani ji is the Member of Parliament from UK, Mr. Virendra Sharma. Once again, sir, a great welcome to you, sir, to India. And I have my Secretary General, Mr. Kaviraj, who in spite of not having a good health, has been gloriously championing the cross. And I wish you speedy recovery. Without much ado, there are 12 awards we decided to give away this year. And I have the 12 awards with me. And these awards related to different fields like the GC of the Year for Infrastructure, for GC of the Year Retail, Young Emerging Lawyer of the Year 2015. All these awards are for 2015. Corporate Counsel of the Year 2015, Privacy and Data Protection. Young Women General Counsel of the Year 2015. General Counsel of the Year 2015, Technology. Insurance Practice Law Firm of the Year 2015. IP Practice Law Firm of the Year 2015. Woman Lawyer of the Year 2015. Global Social Service of the Year 2015. Appreciation Awards in 2 categories for immense effort as young social entrepreneurs, both man and woman. So I start the award functions and I'll call right from number 1 till about 12. The first award is for the Young Women General Counsel of the Year 2015. And may I invite Sri Ram Jethmalani ji and Mr. Stephen Pound to do the honors.
Well, I am very honored and proud and most excited to call Kavita Gupta a Young Women's General Counsel of the year 2015.
Great cheers, Kavitha.
I think people are busy in the drink.
Give a big clap.
What is the award for?
It's a word for the.
But being what she is.
Kavitha, be there for a moment.
Sorry.
I'll just give you a small background about Kavitha. Kavitha, kindly be there, please. She heads Hitachi Consultancy for the legal, and she is looking after the India region, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam. She's a young budding lawyer, GC, and she is also participating in global legal compliance initiatives. I had the good fortune of being with her on various podiums, especially on privacy, data protection. A huge round of applause, please.
He is always.
The next category of award is for the General Counsel of the Year 2015 Technology, and the award goes to
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the award so many of you have been awaiting with bated breath. A hush falls over the great city of Delhi tonight. All round the world, eyes are fixed on this place. And the winner of the General Counsel of the Year 2015 in the specialist subject of technology is Mr. Rakesh Bakshi. And if he's not here in 3 minutes...
Is somebody here representing Rakesh? Rakesh is a lawyer with 23 years of experience and is currently the director and head legal of Amazon in India. He has worked in the IT industry for Microsoft for over 12 years and also in the telecom sector with Fujitsu. Prior to that, he was with the public sector and with the government of Punjab. Once again, a huge round of applause, please, to Rakesh, whose award is being received on his behalf. But who are
Steve only.
No, Steve and Virendra, both of them.
No, first time this.
Sorry. The next category of award is the corporate, I wouldn't say the Corporate Counsel of the Year 2015, Privacy and Data Protection. And may I request both Stephen Pound and Mr. Virendra Sharma to do the honors, please, of the winners.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, just when you thought it couldn't get more exciting, we have the next category, the remarkable, extraordinary category of Corporate Counsel of the Year 2015. Now, this is in the field of privacy and data protection. Under the terms of the Data Protection Act and in mind of privacy legislation, we cannot say who has won this. However, my good friend and colleague, Virendra Kumar Sharma, will say who has won it.
The winner is Mr. V. Rajesh Kumar.
Huge round of applause to Rajesh. Rajesh, you deserve all the credit for the pioneering work that you're carrying on. Rajesh currently is working as the data protection lead manager with Infosys Limited. He reports to the global head privacy and data protection and is currently supporting independent initiatives and projects that involve emerging technologies such as cloud, big data, smart city, Internet of Things, and mobility. Well done, Rajesh. You deserve all the accolades. The next category of award is for the General Counsel of the Year 2015, Infrastructure. Infrastructure, as you know, is one of the themes of Make in India also. And this is a sector which is so important for India to be the next big thing. May I invite here Mr. Mukesh Tyagi and Mr. Stephen Pound to do the honors, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's one of the most prestigious awards. Of course, other awards are very prestigious, but since it is coming by the hand of Member of Parliament from UK, I think I'll give him the privilege of announcing the name.
My friends, we normally have a drum roll. And the winner, who's won it? This is the General Counsel of the Year 2015, Infrastructure, is none only. Anybody want to have a bet? Who was it? Who's won it? Tell them, put them out of their misery.
I think he is not able to pronounce the name correctly, so he has given me this honors. His name is, he's a very smart parliamentarian, actually we need to learn a lot from him. Mr. Badrinath Durvasula.
Well done, Badri, well done, well done. You deserve
Give
it.
him a big hand.
Mr. Badrinath Durvasula is the Vice President and Head Legal for Larsen & Toubro,
Steve was a bit worried
Mumbai,
whether he will call him
and he's
Daru
looking
Wala.
after strategy, international contracting, contract management, and litigation. L&T needs no introduction. It's India's most respected business conglomerate with a turnover of over US dollars 15 billion in the infrastructure space, oil and gas projects. Very well done, Badri. I know Mrs. Badrinath is also on stage, so it's a great, great momentous occasion for her also. My pleasure, sir, any time. We move on to the fifth category of award, and this category is for the General Counsel of the Year 2015, Retail. And may I request here Mr. Virendra Sharmaji and Steve Poundji to do the honors, please.
Thank you very much indeed. We are, Virendra and I are the ant and deck of the awards ceremony. And would you care to open it for me? My glamorous assistant is now going to whip it out. And this is the General Counsel of the Year 2015 in the retail category, which means that he or she has already bought and paid for it. No, but the person has won this entirely on their own merits. The General Counsel of the Year 2015 in the retail category is none other than Mr.
Pulin Kumar.
Pulin Kumar.
Well done, Pulin. Pulin is the Legal Director, Group Legal and Compliance of Adidas India,
Well, we know him.
looking after the legal and compliance functions of the group, Adidas as well as Reebok. His mandate includes contract, compliance, litigation management, and advisory nature on legal and commercial issues. He is a law graduate from the University of Delhi, and he has had various stints with various MNCs, such as Montari, Triveni, Ambuja Cements, New Holland Tractors, Jubilant, Samsung, and currently with Adidas. Huge round of applause, Pulin. You deserve all the credit. The next category of award is for the Young Emerging Lawyer of the Year 2015. Youth is going to spearhead this country. So, may I request Mr. Stephen Pound and Mr. Mukesh Tyagi to do the honors, please.
I would still want him, because he has got a better voice than me, his ability to entertain you guys much better. I am testing his pronouncing capabilities. So will you please pronounce the name?
Of course I will, with absolutely, oh Lord. Anyone called Patel or Kumar wants to win anything, come forward now. Any Singhs? No, no. The Young Emerging Lawyer of the Year 2015, a person from whom we will hear so much in the years to come, is none other than the unique, the extraordinary, the remarkable, the amazing Karan Singh Chandhiok, or something like that.
Chandigarh is not named.
You pronounced it brilliantly, Stephen.
No, it's not Chandigarh, it's Chandhiok.
Chandhiok. You pronounced it brilliantly.
Yeah, I think he pronounced Chandhiok very well. He gets 10 out of 10 for pronouncing, and soon he'll change his name to Indian name now. What will be your Indian name?
Rupee.
Okay, we invite Mr. Karan Singh Chandhiok on the stage to get a very, very special award from a very distinguished person, Mr. Ram Jethmalani, and two Member of Parliament from UK.
Is Karan around?
Please give him a big hand.
I know he did tell me that he is not in town, but is there somebody from his firm who can receive it on his behalf? Do we have somebody from his firm? Oh, please. Sorry.
What's your name?
So Kalyani is receiving the award on behalf
Kalyani
of Karan.
is receiving award. Yeah.
Karan is a partner in Chandhiok and Associates and heads the firm's competition law and dispute practices. His competition practice focuses on Indian competition law and a keen focus on merger review, cartel defense, abuse of dominance cases, strategic alliances, joint venture and issues relating to intellectual property rights. Thank you very much. It's on the insurance practice, law firm of the year 2015. And may I once again request the champion of giving awards now. So he'll be ably assisted by Mukesh Tyagi.
Oh, thank you. I don't think I'll be able to, he'll terminate my services soon because he's taking over with this very, very powerful announcement. I think you have added so much of color and glamour to this award winning ceremony. Normally the awards are very, very boring, but I think big hand to Steve for making this award so eventful. I think it's...
I'm just getting pronunciation advice. Of course, I do know how to pronounce his name, but I just wanted to make sure I got absolutely the precise intonation. And now, put your drinks down for a moment. Cast your eyes towards the dais and prepare to be astounded, prepare to be amazed when the winner of the Insurance Practice Law Firm of the Year 2015 is confirmed as the practice is, of course, Tully & Co., and the winner is Mr. Rajat Taimni.
Mr. Rajat
Taimni.
Taimni.
From Tully and Company. Give him a big hand.
A huge round of applause for Rajat.
The tall gentleman is coming to receive his tall award.
Rajat is a partner in Pulin and Company, and he leads the dispute resolution team. He has a team of 16 lawyers, and the firm has a track record in resolving and representing clients in complex and high-value disputes. Their clients varied from insurance, reinsurers, automotive parts, manufacturers, railway components, sports management agencies, defense contractors, pharmaceutical companies, financial institutions, and individual clients. Wonderful. Rajat, very well done. You really deserve your beer. The final two awards, please. The next category of award, ladies and gentlemen, is for the IP practice, Law Firm of the Year 2015. And may I request for these awards, these last two awards, Mr. Ram Jethmalani, along with both the members of Parliament, to kindly do the honors. Maybe you can just read out the name. Okay. I'll get it.
This is Saikrishna Rajgopal and
From Saikrishna Associates.
from Saikrishna Associates.
Saikrishna Rajgopal gets the coveted.
This is IP Practice Law Firm of the Year 2015.
A huge round of applause,
Saikrishna
please.
Associates, represented by none other than the immensely impressive Mr. Saikrishna Rajagopal.
Mr. Saikrishna Rajgopal is a graduate of the National Law School of India, University Bangalore. He has worked extensively on area of civil and criminal intellectual property litigations in India for distinguished foreign and domestic clients. Over the last few years, he has been associated with some of the leading intellectual property cases in India. His litigation expertise aside, Sai is also a renowned expert in the field of software anti-privacy initiatives. Sai, well done. May you grow from strength to strength. Fitting finale to end the awards ceremony, the last but not the end, the final award. May I once again request all the three distinguished people to announce the award of the Woman Lawyer of the Year 2015.
There is a contest here who will give the award to this women lawyer. So I think the privilege goes to Mr. Ram Jethmalani. He'll announce the name.
Oh, Pratibha Singh.
Pratibha Singh.
Ms. Pratibha M. Singh, Senior Advocate.
I'm very
Pratibha, well
happy
done.
that it happens to be a lady of my choice.
Mrs. Singh is a leading IP lawyer in India and has been designated as a senior advocate by the Delhi High Court in December 2013. She is an alumnus of Cambridge University, UK. Recently, Ms. Pratibha M. Singh Scholarship for LLM students was inaugurated at Cambridge University, which grants complete scholarship to Indian students pursuing their LLM. Also, she was appointed by the Government of India as a member of the IPR think tank, which is drafting the national IPR policy and also provides recommendation to the government on intellectual property related issues. Very well done, ma'am. Proud of you as an Indian. Last